Hi guys, so today we are going to be baking a cake again, like we did last year to celebrate 1 year anniversary of the channel, but this time we're celebrating 2 years. I'm very excited. I still have not thought of the cake that I'm going to do. It's probably going to be chocolate again, but yeah, I'm recording with my camera, which is pretty exciting because it's been like a whole year since I used this camera. It does not really work well for streaming and recording longer videos, but I have been very excited to get back to using it. I guess it probably looks a little better than my webcam, not gonna lie. But yeah, I am here on my setup right now. You guys can see my like Christmas tree. Anyway, I guess we can just go and see the ingredients. Let's go. Alright guys, these are the ingredients. I am gonna put on the screen in case you guys wanna follow the recipe or are curious. I'm just gonna say that this is like chocolate flakes and this like are some decorations, and this is a cherry. There's also like white chocolate. I completely forgot the name of these two in English, so I'm sorry, but cocoa powder, sugar, milk, eggs, butter. Let's get to mixing it. Alright, so I don't even know if this angle is good enough or not, but like we're gonna roll with it. And we're gonna start by mixing the dry ingredients. So we go with these ones first. Oh god, I hope I don't make a mess. But yeah, last time that I made a baking video, I was talking about me buying a watermelon and having to carry it from the grocery store to my house. And I kept wondering like why I was talking about this. So today I was pondering, what am I gonna talk about? Because it's very difficult to think of a topic while you're cooking. And also I'm listening to music, by the way, just to, you know. So we're mixing the dry ingredients. I think that's probably too much. I don't know. I don't remember having that much ingredients. But I am following a recipe, so I am a little bit confused. Oh, I also need a second bowl to mix the wet ingredients, sorry. I think I'm gonna get the bowl and mix the eggs, butter, and the milk. And then I am going to... Last time I spilled a little bit, so let's hope this time I won't. Okay, this time it was a success. Nice. Now that I realize, I'm probably gonna need another bowl because I think I made a mistake. I should have mixed it in another bowl, so I'm gonna have to get another bowl. Oh my goodness, that's craziness. I think I should have used the bigger bowl for the... Anyway, whatever. It's been a while. It's been a while since I last cooked something. I thought to take this opportunity to talk to you guys about the games that we have been playing this year. You know, 2022 is almost over. We only have like, what, 1 month left? Not a month, I think like even less than that. We have a couple of days actually. Oh god, maybe 2 weeks left. And that's crazy. That's really crazy. At some points of this year, I thought that the year was going very slow. And then at other points, I thought, oh my god, it's going way too fast. Okay, so the wet ingredients are here. I probably should have mixed the sugar with it, but you know, we're just gonna roll. That's gonna be how it is. I usually mix the sugar with it, but I forgot. I completely forgot. Anyway, I was thinking of what games I want to play in 2023. There's a couple, obviously, but I think that Like a Dragon Ishin is definitely the one that I am more excited about, and also Gaiden. They have not really released a date, but it's going to be 2023, so I'm excited for it. I'm also very excited to play like Demon Souls for the first time or do a replay of Elden Ring because I have been wanting to. The wet ingredients in this bigger bowl. Because that's what I should have done in the first place, right? Not what I actually did. And then I am going to try to carefully drop this. Slowly, slowly. I think I might need more chocolate though. Alright, so here we go. Oh god, that's the cake. I'm cooking on like cooking paper and this like round thingy. Let's hope that it's going to look good when it's over. Fingers crossed. I'll see you guys in a second. And for me, of course, it's going to be 45 minutes. I'm gonna clean the whole kitchen because, oh boy, it's messy. Let's put this on the oven. Alright guys, so right now we are using the chocolate, the white chocolate. We're going to apply on one of the sides of the cake, but first I am going to spread a little bit of the cherry stuff. I don't know what's the name, like what would I call it? The cherry juice? I guess we're gonna be calling it like that, I don't know, but yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Just gotta get your old regular spoon and like just, you know, do that just so it's kind of, it has the cherry taste on it. We're gonna cut the cherries, by the way, and put some of them with the white chocolate. And let's go ahead and okay, hold on. It's gonna be messy. Oh my god, yeah, it's gonna be messy. It's fine. Let's just do it. It's kind of like a random. Oh, well. Okay, just this side is going to have more cherry, I guess. It's okay. We're good. Oh no, we're not good. How am I gonna? I did not think this through. It's going to make my. Everything's ready, I guess. It's fine. It's okay. It's food. Oh god, don't fall. I guess that's not very cute. Brother, I gotta clean that up. Hold on. Alright, so for some reason or another, this video feels much more chaotic than the other one. But we're rolling with it. I'm gonna apply the hot chocolate. You can't see this on this one, but I guess you're gonna be able to see over there. It's actually warm. So I'm just gonna spread it like this. I'm gonna try to spread like all of it in it. On this side because I have other plans for the top. I'm actually going to do whipped cream, like I said, and I think it's going to be pink whipped cream. I'm gonna see if it works. I still gotta do it though. Of course, I came prepared. Oh my god. This video is definitely not professional. Absolutely not. But hey, we're rolling with it. I'm actually having a lot of fun baking cakes. I usually don't bake a lot of cakes because people in my house don't eat that much. Like they are not really into eating like a whole cake, I guess. So we usually do those pre-made cakes that you just have to put like milk and eggs and then just, you know, mix everything and put on the oven. Not really the, I guess it's a pre-made one? I don't know, what would you call it, but like the batter is already done. You don't have to do it from scratch like this one. But sometimes it's really fun to do like things from scratch, right? I think it's very interesting. Alright, so how am I gonna do the cherries? That's one thing. I think I'm gonna cut them in half and spread some of them Or maybe I should not. I am thinking, what am I supposed to do? Alright, so that's how it looks so far. Oops. And also here. I guess that's enough. Now I'm gonna put chocolate on the other side. Please ignore my desk, it's dirty. I would not say it's dirty, but like it's, you know, it has cherries on it. Concentration. I cut it wrong, I guess, because it's not leveled. I guess that's fine. We're not looking for perfection here. Alright, we're never looking for perfection. I've learned that this is not possible to achieve. Lesson of the day. Yeah, while we do that, I guess I can tell you guys that I have been really enjoying God of War Ragnarok. Of course, there's no spoilers. I'm not going to spoil any of you guys. But I changed the difficulty of the game. I changed it because, you know, apparently No Mercy is much more difficult than Give Me a Challenge. For some reason, it just does not, like, I don't know, it's something about the game that it's making it much more difficult than necessary. We're almost out of white chocolate. It's okay. This smells so good, by the way, the white chocolate. It smells so good. I just hope it's good. I did not put too much sugar in the cake because I knew that the chocolate would be a lot. I guess the white chocolate's gonna overpower the cherries, maybe. Unsure. There we go. Both of them have their fillings. I'm just gonna try to flip them without making a huge mess out of it, and then I'm gonna whip the cream. I'm not gonna do the whipping cream on camera because it's probably going to be messy. So instead, I'll try to do it and show just me putting it on top of the cake. So I'll be right back. Alright, time for the whipped cream. Let me show here. Can I see? There you go, it's pink. I guess you're gonna be able to see better on the other camera. So let's start. I'm hoping that it's going to be enough. So nice. I'm hoping one package is going to be enough for the entire cake. If not, well, I kind of like when it's not really like very uniform. You know what I mean? I guess it might be enough. I guess it might be. You see, I would not be good at working with baking cakes because I like them looking messy. Okay, so the sides, that's oh brother, what am I gonna do here? Oh no. You see, that's how it usually goes, huh? That's how it usually goes. There you go. That's how it's looking. Ta-da! Now for the decorations. How am I gonna do that? I think I'll start with the flowers. I need to think of where am I gonna put it because there's only 5 because I ate the other one. That's good enough, I guess. Let's get the chocolate flakes. Oof, the light is horrible because the sun is setting. I'm just gonna be doing it like this. Just, you know. And then I'm going to put some cherries. I am going to cut them up and spread them I'm trying to be careful not to make them like fly everywhere. I don't know how this is gonna taste. I'm hoping good, but I don't have high expectations. You see, everything is like going out of place. Oh god. I can tell this side does not have enough. This is definitely not as cute as the cake that I did last year. Now I'm just getting the remaining cherries. I am gonna try to place them randomly. I'm gonna put like one over here. Let me see, one over here. I love cherries. They smell so good, by the way. Over here. I don't think I have enough cherries. I think I used too many inside the cake. Maybe I should have cut them up, but it's fine. It's gonna be alright. I can just steal them from the top of the cake after I finish and eat them. Do we need more where? I guess... Oops. One over here. There we go. And then another one I'm gonna put... That's the last one. That was definitely not the best idea that I had. I'm gonna put it... Here. No. Yeah, okay. It's fine. Alright, that's the cake. I will give you guys a better look of it, but ta-da! That's how it looks so far. Alright guys, that's the cake. Can you guys see it properly? Oh my god, hold on. Oh, it's heavy. But yeah, 2 years of the channel, yay! Let me try to light it up. I actually did light it up a little bit, but then it started doing some weird stuff, so I decided to not to. Oh, it's not going. Okay, now it's going. There we go. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that, you had fun with it. I hope that this cake looks decent and that, you have been enjoying the 2 years of the channel. I am very excited to see what's gonna happen in the next year. 2023 definitely has a lot of bangers waiting for us, a lot of really cool games. My dog's crying because he saw a cat, so I do apologize for it. He's definitely being too much right now. But there's the cake! There's the cake! There we go! Hope you guys enjoyed, and